Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this tutorial, I will be showing you guys how to play surf in CS2. So it's gonna be really quick and basic. All you have to do is click on play, and then in here, go to the workshop maps. So as you can see, we have surf. What we're gonna do is go to the visit workshop. So, and then in here, just type surf and then search it. So in here you can choose any maps in here. All you have to do is just press on the plus icon. And then when you do that, just go back to CS2. And then you will have the option for surf. So if you click on go, so here we go. So you can just play surf. So this is how to play surf in CS2. See you guys in the next tutorial.